Hello, beautiful dreamers! Today's workout will help you to lift and shape your arms and also improve your posture. This workout can be done on your bed, on your couch, while watching your favorite TV shows. The goal for this workout is to keep your hands up all the time. So, let's get this party started. To get the best results possible, I invite you to check out my Dream Body by Lena app. I create the programs that will help you to get the smaller waist, or build a bigger glutes, or lose weight. The link for the app is in the description down below. First exercise is triceps extension and a chop. Put your palms together, breathing behind your back, and a chop in front of you. Next is the side punches. Next is the prayer pulses. Put your palms and elbows together and bring them up towards your nose and then down towards your chest. And forward punches. Next is the shoulder press. Then rotate your hands and touch with your pinkies. Keep your hands up. Punch up. Extend your arms, and we're gonna do circles. Make sure your palms looking down and your circles going forward. Whew. Next is the walnut crushes. Imagine you have walnut between your shoulder blades and you're squeezing your shoulder blades and crushing that walnut. And extend your arms, your palms looking up, and we're gonna do circles backwards. This is excellent exercise for the posture. If you have rounded shoulders, this one is definitely straighten up your shoulders. And bring your hands in front of you. We're gonna do wheel circles. Extend your arms and bring your elbows towards your back. Keep your hands up. A little bit more left. Chest press. Put your palms together in the prayer position and press as hard as you can until you feel pressure in your chest, in your armpits, in your biceps, in your triceps. Press it very hard. And then let it go for a couple seconds. And again, press it hard. Feeling the pressure in your chest muscles. And let it go again. And press it hard again. And let it go for a couple seconds. And the last one, press it hard as you can. And let it go. Elbows 90 degrees, and we're gonna rotate them with our palms down and bring it back. You got this. I know it's burning. Bring your hands in front of you and open up your chest. Little more left. Keep your hands up. Yay, we did it! Great job! Let me know in the comments how your arms feel after this workout. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and I see you in my next videos. Bye!